Welcome to the Sam Alex. Apparently Samantha isn't here today because she's at school. You know what's so funny about it? She's wrestling. And wrestling is like so... Well, I actually think it's fun, but for her it's like really boring because I don't know, it's just boring, you know? Because I don't know. But my sister, she couldn't last a day in yoga. You know, have you heard of Mogul Sam from like here in YouTube? Um, I love them. Like their videos, they make me bright, and it makes me happy. um. I really don't know what much to say today, so check my next video, which I will make tomorrow, because today's going to be my parent-teacher conference, you know, boring stuff. So